Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by securing safety and the cable. Power off the device and confirm 0 volts with your meter. Once confirmed, expose 6 to 8 millimeters of conductor and twist strands tightly so they behave as one. Make sure the Crocodile clip's jaws are clean and show solid copper contact. Open the clip fully and seat the bare wire deep into the jaw, not on the edge. Clamp firmly to achieve full metal-to-metal contact and slightly tug to confirm mechanical security before reapplying power. Once the clip is clamped, address strain and safety so the connection lasts. Make sure the cable exits the clip in a natural curve to avoid bending at the jaw. Route it away from sharp edges and hot surfaces. Apply a short piece of heat shrink or electrical tape around the joint and add a zip tie or clamp within 5 centimeters as strain relief. Also, clearly mark polarity or signal on the lead so you don't reverse connections later, and tidy any excess slack to prevent accidental pulls. Now validate the joint under live conditions using caution. Power on gradually and monitor for heat, sparks, or voltage drop on the meter. If you see intermittent contact, first power down and reseat the wire, clean oxidation from the jaws, and retin the conductor if available. Replace the clip if springs or jaws are deformed. If you suffer electrical noise or resistance that remains, consider a ferrite bead or move to a permanent lug or soldered connection. Remember, persistent arcing means.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.